Plants are basically living water balloons with roots. I'm not kidding. Most of a plant is water, and it needs a steady refill almost all of the time. So how does that happen? Let's zoom from the soil, a single cell, and all the way to the plant's plumbing. First, the soil. It's not a solid block, it's a crumbly mix of tiny rock particles, different sizes and shapes so they don't pack tightly. That leaves little spaces, mini caves, filled with air and thin films of water. That water carries dissolved minerals, nitrate ions, magnesium ions, enter the root hairs, main root with millions of microscopic fuzzy threads. Those are root hairs. Each hair is one super long cell. It pokes between soil particles, massively increases surface area, touching thin water films, more surface area, more chance to grab what the plant needs. How does water get in? Water moves from more outside the cell to less inside the cell, through the cell wall, across the cell membrane, into the cytoplasm. Think of it like a steady drift inward. Along with water come dissolved ions, nitrate for building proteins, magnesium for making chlorophyll. Now the journey continues. Water passes from cell to cell toward the center. Route 1, sliding between cell walls like a hallway. Route 2, through the insides of cells, handoff by handoff. Goal, reach the plant's highway. The xylem vessels in the middle of the root. Xylem time, cut across a root. See a star or cross shape in the center, xylem. In stems, xylem sits in vascular bundles around the edge. Xylem vessels, long, hollow tubes made of dead, stiffened cells, lined up like straws from Rakat Mao to Leafberry. Once water enters the xylem, it's on the express elevator up. What pulls it up? Leaves. Evaporation from tiny pores, stomata, creates a gentle pull, like sipping through a straw. Water molecules stick together. Cohesion, so the whole column moves as one. Add adhesion, water clinging to xylem walls, and the climb stays steady. So, quick recap. Soil holds water and minerals in tiny gaps. Root hairs, each a single cell, press into those gaps, and absorb water and ions through walls and membranes. Water travels inward, enters the xylem, and rides the plant's pipeline to the leaves, powered by evaporation and the stickiness of water. From microscope to xylem, that's how a plant drinks. Every leaf owes its crisp green snap to those tiny root hairs doing their quiet, constant work.
What fills soil spaces? Where absorb water? Name one mineral ion. Xylem vessels are what? What transports water? Where are xylem vessels? Root hairs increase what? What is dissolved in water? What grow from roots? Water enters through what?